Hey there, Sid here with another trade recap. It's the first Friday of this month and it's a green day. Now, I have to do a trade recap for the trade that I took yesterday, but I didn't get enough time to do that trade review or trade recap, and I will do it tomorrow. It was a red day, but that's okay. So today I took a trade on IPHA or Innate Pharma, and today's market was bearish. At the open, everything was red, everything was selling off, and there was nothing uh, standing out or nothing popping. But I kept an eye on the momentum scanner for any kind of unusual activity, and around like 1:32 p.m. afternoon, um, Eastern Standard Time, the IPHA, it started going up. So it was showing some bullishness, but the the pattern, the pattern was not that strong. It was showing some momentum, but it was not showing that strong momentum that can show you the price, show that can give you the confidence that okay, this price will go up to certain mark and then probably it will consolidate or whatever happen next. But you cannot predict that, because if the initial at the beginning, if the market is kind of like a bearish, then it's a little bit hard to predict like what's going to happen next. And same thing happened in this case. After this 3 pullback, I decided to jump in. But since as I said in my previous video, you can take a trade on first and second pullback. Third pullback is usually a weak pullback, and the probability of you winning or losing is more or less 50-50. Either it can go in your favor or it can go against your expectations. Okay, so I took a trade here. I bought 500 shares for 632 and sold everything at 652. After that, it went up even higher, went to the halt, went up even higher, uh, went it went to halt 2 times, I believe, and then it popped up again. Then it start consolidating down, move another high, and then finally it came down to from where it started. That's my today's trade, and made $100.05 profit. So now let's see the actual trades. So these are my actual trades. Bought 500 shares of IPHA at 631.99, almost 632, and sold everything at 652. Make $100.05 of profit. It's not significant, but good considering yesterday's losses. I covered them partially, not fully, but that's trading. Trading is risky. You will always lose money if you don't know what you're doing. Have some strategy, learn everything that you can about trading, build your own strategy and trade accordingly. If you are new to trading and if you don't know where to start, consult with your financial advisor before taking any trade. And that's it for this video, guys, and see you again on Tuesday. Monday is holiday, Labor Day, so market will be closed. So happy Labor Day, happy long weekend, and see you on Monday. Bye.